This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 82 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're starting on the shoulder assembly for the right arm, because we finished the left one now, basically. If you didn't watch that, go back and watch the last few videos. The World of Tomorrow, a more contemporary future in the 2014 Robocop. Yeah, I don't know, it didn't quite hit the same way the first one did. But yeah, I haven't as yet been back and watched it again, but I will. But yes, the right shoulder, this is a quick one. Just putting the little joint together, the two covers, the ball joint, and then the 3 screws to hold that together. That's all we're doing on this one. But yeah, we'll get to that and get that done. Humans and robots living together. Aw, isn't that sweet? Yeah, I mean, kids today, touchscreens, it's just a thing. They don't even think anything of using it. But yeah, it'll all come there. Smart clothing. Fabrics with embedded technology. Yeah, but you have to charge up when you have to charge up your trousers. Something's not quite right, is it? I mean, wearable tech. I mean, I'm wearing a smart ring myself, but I don't know about wearable clothing. I know about wearable clothing, but yeah, clothing that adapts to your environment. Yeah, why not? Yeah, that's fair enough. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this built. Okay, so here are the parts. Before we get to the build itself, in this pack is another binder, which is exactly the same as all the previous binders that we've got. They don't seem to be filling them up very much. I'd be happy to put in a few more into each one, and they do seem to give you all the numbers all of the time. I don't remember if this is the 4th or the 5th, so I'm not going to put the stickers on it quite yet. But yeah, that goes on there, and then it's just a slipcase for the magazines to slip into. Keeps it all nice and gives you a little block to put next to your Robocop model. So yeah, there is that. But the build itself, we've got another rubber shoulder piece, which we're not doing anything with quite yet. We're making up this exactly the same way that we did before. We've got the big one in there, the little one in there, this one in there. This one hasn't got the little bit sticking out of it, so it doesn't matter which way around that goes in there. But it does matter which way around this goes, because there is the post that goes into the 3rd hole down there. So make sure you get that the right way round like that, so that locks in place. And then we need 3 CM screws to hold that all together. I'll get them all out. We're probably about putting one back in a minute. Screw on the screwdriver, lined up and in, just in a few turns, and same on the other 2 holes there. I don't think that first screw went in at all. But did, just not very much. The second one definitely did even further. So then let's get the 3rd one in as well. Actually, no, it's all rotating, so something's not lined up. Come on, let's try that again. That lined up on there, that one there, that one there. I can feel the pin lock in place. In a few more turns than I did before. I think it only just bit and then sort of slipped out again. It's always difficult gauging how tight to get these joints when there's nothing attached to it but the little posts, because you can't move the little post even when there's even a little bit of pressure on it. But once there's a whole arm attached, you don't want it loose and slipping around on its own. So I'm going to do these pretty tight and know that I can't move it now, but I'll be able to move it once the arm is attached. 1, 2, and the 3rd one. So there we go. Let's put that back in there. That is the end of this month's delivery. So I shall put all of my spare screws to one side, store that out of the way. And the other part that we built this time is that. So this will be, basically it's that joint there. So that end will be attached to there, like that, with the other arm attached to it once we get that part done. That's going to go on there like that as well. So it's getting there. It's getting there. Once we get the arms attached, we've already got the legs attached. Then we've just got to build up the chest. We've already got the head. So it's getting there. I'm looking forward to the next delivery. So when that comes, join me for more Robocop. But until that time, other part works are available. I think the next one that you're going to watch after this tomorrow, if I'm building it correctly, should be the 1966 Batmobile, continuing the build of that. So join me for that, and I'll see you for more soon. Bye bye for now.